The government has launched the tourism and travel health and safety protocols in a bid to provide a harmonized approach to the hospitality industry's reaction to COVID-19. The pandemic, which has ravaged the tourism industry, has now led to a global collaborative effort to revive the sector, as Lilian Kiari reports.
The tourism sector is among the hardest hit by the COVID-19 pandemic. With international travel restrictions and cessation of inter-county movement, which is causing tourists to retract their travel plans, many facilities have been forced to close down due to dried up revenues. So far, the pandemic has led to the loss of 2 million jobs in the tourism industry in Kenya. Players in the tourism industry have welcomed the launch of the tourism and travel, health and safety protocols.
It's now a reality that the virus could become endemic, and we must all be prepared to live with it and resume normalcy under the prevailing circumstances as global efforts to find vaccines continue. Our country is safe for travel, and Kenyans need to understand this.
The 45-page document details the diverse protocols that will ensure service provision at tourist sites meets the World Health Organization's guidelines and Kenya's Ministry of Health measures to curb the spread of COVID-19.
We now know that it is possible to conduct your business as long as you are within and operate within certain measures. We now know that it is possible to have a meeting like this one if you can keep your distance, if you can wear a mask.
It is hoped that the protocols will give tourists the confidence to do what they do best, which is to travel, to explore new lands and quench their wanderlust.
Travel and tourism to join forces to plan a coordinated approach together with the governments and health experts to ensure the speed and effective recovery once the crisis is stabilized.
Kenya has received a vote of confidence from the World Travel and Tourism Council.
Take this opportunity to congratulate Kenya, the government of Kenya, Minister Balala, and the entire private sector for implementing protocols.
Earnings from the tourism sector have already dropped from the 160 billion shillings, which was recorded previously, to about 80 billion shillings this financial year. Now, CS Balala says the country will be lucky to record even about 300,000 international visitors in this financial year. Lilian Kiari, NTV.